Hi, this is John Cooke with the Cooke Financial Group. Today's financial advisor frequently asked question is, will countries start to shift away from the US dollar? You may have seen or heard people saying that the US dollar is losing strength and suggesting that alternatives such as the Chinese yuan or cryptocurrency or a gold-backed currency is going to supplant it and take its place. At the Cooke Financial Group, we don't think that's the case, and here's a couple of reasons why. So first off, in order for a different currency to supplant the US dollar as a global reserve currency, there needs to be an alternative to the US dollar. Most people are going to point to the Chinese yuan as the largest threat because China is the next largest economy in the world and isn't exactly our friend in the international stage. And they may have a motive or an incentive to take that role over from us. We don't believe that that's possible in the near term for the following reasons. First off, China has pretty strict capital controls on their outflows, right? Getting Chinese yuan over the border and into other economies is not as easy as it is for American dollars. Foreign investors and governments are limited on to what degree that they can hold Chinese debt or Chinese currency in reserve. On top of that, you need international trust, right? To be able to use a currency. If you're going to hold that currency in reserve, you need to know that it's going to be stable and that it's not going to be manipulated against your interest. Following on that, they have no ability to defend their international trade. China and Russia and Iran and pretty much any other competing country does not have the power necessary to back an international currency. The way that the US military does. We're the only military in the world that can project power globally. Now, a lot of people will point to the recent trades between Saudi Arabia and China that are denominated in yuan as a reason that the dollar's power and the dollar's primacy is being eroded. Now, we're not worried about trading occurring in other currencies. The market is not liquid enough for that to occur on a large scale, okay? If a country really wants to take their home currency, say a Brazilian real, and then buy from Saudi Arabia, they're going to convert to the dollar first. Even if the trade occurs in another currency, after that trade is done, the Saudis are not going to hold that yuan. They're going to convert it to the dollar and hold dollars or treasuries on their balance sheet. Our opinion is that the US dollar will likely remain the dominant global currency for the foreseeable future, simply because it is trusted, it is strong, and there is no alternative. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.